So let's look at some essentials in the Rubik's Cube. One of the first things we notice is that it's a cube, so it has 6 sides, and each side is a different color. You'll notice that colors that are close to each other are on opposite sides. So white and yellow are on opposite sides. In a similar fashion, orange and red, and then blue and green. So this is the way a formal Rubik's Cube is set up. It's actually set up always in this order. There's white on top, yellow on the bottom, and then you cycle around with orange, green, red, and blue. So a couple of things to realize is that the motions that can occur here are all around the spinning of one of the sides. So at any given point, you can take any of the 6 sides and spin them, either 1 space, 2, 3, of course 4 gets back to the beginning, or in the reverse order. And so actually there are, if you think about it, 3 potential ways you can move these 6 surfaces. So there's 18 potential first moves that you could make. The other thing to consider is that you have these corner pieces and you have the edge pieces, and they never can change position. So a corner piece will always stay a corner piece. The other thing to realize is that the middle cube is the one that dictates the color for that side. Everything else can move around, but in fact that side is defined by that middle piece, which doesn't really ever move. It could rotate, but it doesn't really move from the position of that plane. So this will always be the white side, the blue side, etc. What that means too is that if you're looking to put a cube in this space, it needs to have blue on one face and white on the other, because they are being defined by the center cube. In a similar fashion, this corner piece has to be white, blue, and red, because those are the 3 center pieces there as well. So I think that's a good start to understand the basics of the Rubik's Cube.